Hey everyone, check out this automation I built using FlytBase platform while working with Reese Anderson from the Ovrwatch team in Asheville, North Carolina. I've used FlytBase's Flinks and flows to create an emergency response system that's incredibly simple. Any authorized personnel can deploy a drone from the DJI dock to any security threat location within a school or any private campus with just a single text. Watch this. We're going to text fly and boom! In just 20 seconds, the drone is airborne and executing the pre-programmed mission. No piloting required. These workflows can be set up with DJI docks around key locations on your site, and then all it takes is that one simple text. The rest is handled by FlightBase. It even notifies the team through email and WhatsApp as soon as the drone launches. This is perfect for public safety and security personnel. No complex commands needed. Just text fly and get instant aerial visibility where it's needed most. Working with Ovrwatch on this has been amazing for testing this powerful trigger-based workflow on our platform. This text-to-fly automation is now available for everyone using FlightBase Pro and FlightBase Enterprise. Comment below if you want to know how I set this up.